Hi. Okay, I am making a type of, I would say I call it my Mediterranean fish. And what I did was I got some cod from the Natural Food Co-op store because I trust their fish, and their fish is so delicious. But cod is so easy. I mean, you can pretty much get cod anywhere. I've also gotten it at regular retail stores, but I make sure that I do my homework and try to find the best cod in the area. If you live in the Seattle, you are so lucky. Hot cod, there's different kinds of cod you can get. So what I do basically is just cut it up into like nugget chunks, as you see here. And then, but before I add the cod in, I make a type of sauce, or basically like something to flavor with it. It's tomato. This is actually tomato. I have tomato in there, but I saute it first with some onions and this is Italian bell pepper, and with a little bit of, and then I add the salt and pepper with that, and then I use the extra virgin olive oil last. And what I do is I create like a like I saute it first and foremost. Saute the onions, bell peppers, and if you want to add some garlic in there, you can. I didn't because there's garlic in one of my spices. So and I saute it, and then I add the tomato. So tomato, onion, and bell pepper, and then I saute it until it's nice and soft, and add a little bit of liquid. You can add white wine, or you can add the water, or stock, or even water. So, and then after it's sauteed thoroughly, and then you add the liquids to it. Sounds like I'm rambling. And then you place the pieces of fish in there. Okay? And so that's like your codfish, and it's healthy. It's a white fish. It doesn't have too much fat in it. So, and that's why I add the extra virgin olive oil afterwards. And then my friend gave me some sage. Thanks, Bee. She gave me some sage, and so I added just a couple of leaves because I wanted that sage flavor. A lot of people don't, think that sage is just for turkey for Thanksgiving, but it's not. But my spices, I add just a little bit of the oregano, and then a little bit of smoked paprika. And I like this 21 seasonings because it has everything in there, and it's pretty reasonable. It's not expensive. And then some black pepper, and I don't have the kind that you grind, which I like grinding it in the pepper grinder if I have to grind it. So anyways, so there you have it. You have a nice flavorful dish, and this will feed up to 2 people, 3 people. I mean, if you have other foods and if you serve it with something else, it will definitely feed up to 3. And I want to try it while I have you on my. Let's give it a little bit of a try here. Let's give it a little sample. Put some peppers. Try it with some peppers. You always have to try your food, The tomatoes make it a little bit sweet, and so it brings a nice flavor. If you want to add some lemon to that, you can. And squeeze some lemon on there. I think I'm going to do that. Add a little bit, and if you want to add a little bit of ginger paste, that makes it even better. So, I just wanted to share that. So, okay, and that's it. Real quick video.